Hey guys, well it's the 17th of December in 2023 and I'm here at the Krakow Christmas Markets. It's one of the best Christmas markets in the whole of Europe and I highly recommend you a trip here. But today I'm going to tell you about some money saving tips and ways not to be overcharged here at the Christmas markets. It's a lovely experience, but you need to watch the prices everywhere, check the prices, just to make sure that you get a good deal everywhere. So you can see that this stall here is doing the Ostepek cheese. This lady here is doing Ostepek cheese in a pastry. It says Polish cheese in the background, and ask for some jam on top of your cheese and get the grilled one here. These are the best ones just here on the grill. They are absolutely delicious and they cost you about 8 or 9 zloty, which is about €2. So it's a good deal really. It's not a bad deal at all. I really love these cheese pastries here that people are eating here. This is my favorite type of food at the Krakow Christmas markets. And I also eat these when I go to Zakopane as well. There's all different types of cheese here and it's all labeled with the name of the cheese and the price. So this one here is 15 zloty, which is £3. This one here is 18 zloty for the traditional cheese Zakopianski, which is just less than £4 for one of them. It's in a lovely shape and it says Zakopane on the cheese. So that would be a lovely gift for somebody as well. Oh, this cheese here, it's shaped, it says kolba. It's shaped like a corn on the cob, like a sweet corn. Oh, I love the string cheese here, and the string cheese is very good value. It's only 10 zloty, and you get a bag of string cheese, and you can walk around the market and just eat this string cheese. And it's all labelled here as well, and mała means small, biały means white. That is Bachowski cheese, that's 16 zloty there as well. And Gawdowski is 30 zloty on that one there. So Poland is famous for cheese and for many other types of food as well.
You have here been here yesterday.
Sorry.
No problem.
Yes.
We're happy that you come see us every day.
Yes, I do. Yeah, I do. Yeah. This one here, you can buy hot dogs here at this stall here. That's a traditional Polish speciality. I was here a few days ago. I had a very nice hot dog here as well. Everybody in Poland, they love hot dogs here in Poland. So you should try it here. Thank you very much. Cheers. But here, these people here are eating zapikankas, is it? Or yeah, I also recommend you try a zapikanka when you're here in Poland. And zapikanka is like a pizza baguette. And you can buy one here at the Christmas markets for about 40 zloty. 40 zloty is about £8. But in a normal cafe in Poland, you can buy a zapikanka for about 15 zloty, which is about £3. So do be careful with the prices. It's better if you shop around. Sometimes if you go to a normal cafe, you get a much better deal than here. I mean, for example, the hot dogs there on the other stall, they are probably nice hot dogs and that, but they cost 40 zloty, which is about £8. And a hot dog in a normal cafe in Poland would be about 15 zloty, which is about £3. What you can find, a good trick here, is you've got all the stalls here on the Christmas market. You can see all the stalls and they're selling all different food here and all different drinks here and everything else. And just behind the market, just to the left side here, where you see the white and yellow building there is a supermarket there. You can buy a Perla Polish beer in there for less than £1. Here in the Christmas market, you're going to pay £4 or £5 for a beer at least. So you pay 4 or 5 times more just for buying it 1 minute walk away. In terms of shopping here, I'd recommend that you buy the warm socks and buy the warm gloves here. I do buy my gloves and my socks from these stalls here in the markets. I'm not sure the price this year, you'd have to check the labels here. So it's £6 for a pair of warm socks here on this stall. These are the socks that I like on the bottom. I buy them normally in Zakopane. They're the same price as here. They're 30 zloty for a pair of socks. And you can buy, if you forgot your gloves maybe at home, you can buy your gloves here as well. You can buy wallets and all different winter wear and that type of thing as well. So the thing you need to watch out here at the Christmas markets for is thieves. There are security guards walking around and they'll be watching you as well, but there's so many homeless people and thieves walking around. So you must look right and left, look behind you all the time. Be very careful with your pockets. If you've got a bag on your back, be careful with the bag. People can reach into it. So that's something about the Christmas markets to watch out for as well. If you like shopping, you're going to enjoy it. It's all about shopping, buying all different items, clothes items. You can buy gifts and souvenirs. You can buy food here, and you can buy drinks here as well. In terms of alcoholic drink, I recommend you try the mulled wine. The mulled wine is the best drink that you're going to buy here at Christmas markets. It's about 30 zloty, which is about £6 here at Krakow Christmas Market. But being honest with you, 1 week ago I was at the Rzeszów Christmas Market, and they had a mulled wine there at Rzeszów Christmas Market, and it was only 15 zloty, which is half the price. This year the prices have gone up here at the Christmas markets in Krakow. It's just high inflation right now. The city is absolutely full of tourists, and I guess they can charge whatever they want. But you can experience the Christmas markets. You're allowed to bring your own food here and your own drinks here as well, and that's a way that you can save money for sure. And there are some nice gifts and souvenirs for the family as well. You can buy all kinds of candies on this store here as well. Some interesting things and unusual things that you might not be able to find in the shops with the Krakow symbol on, you know, like gifts for the family and for friends over Christmas time. So the Christmas market started on the 23rd of November, and the Christmas market finishes on the 3rd of January this year. And all the Polish cities have Christmas markets, not just this one. There's one in Warsaw, Zakopane, Rzeszów. All the Polish cities here have Christmas markets. So it's good to check out a number of Christmas markets as well. On my channel, if you subscribe at Travel with Col, with a C-O-L, you can see my guided tours from all the different Polish cities, from Rzeszów, from Warsaw, from Zakopane, from many, many different cities in Poland. And you can compare all the cities as well yourself. So the other one you need to watch out for is the horse and cart ride. I mean, it's extremely expensive. They're standing there with horse and carts. The horses have been there all day for very, very long hours, right through the day, through the night. I've seen them sometimes having a fit, and they cost, a lady said today, it cost her £30 for 5 minutes on the horse and the cart. So it's very, very expensive. And it's also not nice for the animal as well. Very cruel indeed. You need to watch out maybe for street taxis here, possibly, because the thing is with street taxis, if you just get one off the street, they can be very expensive. But if you get a taxi with an Uber or a Bolt taxi, it's very, very cheap. So download the application of Uber Taxi or Bolt Taxi, and you'll be traveling for £3. Anywhere in Krakow will be £3 for the journey. You can get some of the cheapest taxis here in the whole of Europe, but you need to download an application called Uber, called Bolt, or called Free Now. They're the cheapest taxi applications here in Krakow. Now, in terms of finding a cheap hotel here, try a website called Kayak, and it compares all the hotel prices. So it's a comparison of all the different websites. You can also try a website called Hotels Combined, and that will compare the prices of all the different travel websites and get you the very best deal. So let's have a look here. They've got some soups here. They've got the Żurek soup here for £5, 25 zloty. That's about €6. 5 zloty is £1, by the way, guys, so you know your prices. And there's all different ones on here. So you might want to get try the Borscht Ukrainian red soup. That's 30 zloty, which is £6, or a goulash soup. My favorite soup is the goulash soup. Absolutely delicious. But in Poland, Polish people have the Żurek soup. Żurek soup is the most popular soup in Poland. Polish people love Żurek soup. And a Polish speciality is soup. So this stall here is selling all different types of meat. You've got pork knuckle, you've got pork neck. The pork neck is very popular as well. You've got sausages, you've got chicken legs, you've got potatoes. So you can try, if you like meat, then you will like it here, but there's not much vegetarian food here. That's something to watch out for, really. Maybe you could go for vegetables or potatoes on the veggie options, or maybe some sauerkraut. So guys, thank you very much for watching my guided tour today, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, at Travel with Col. And that's Col with a C-O-L. Cheers, guys. Bye-bye.